Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give in this cause now in hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you.
Step up right here. Try to keep your voice up nice and loud. Speak directly into this thing. Pull your chair out. The judge can hear you.
Okay.
How are you?
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good, thank you.
All set. Could you please state your name, spell your first name and your last name?
Yes. My name is Michelle Mitchell. Michelle is M-I-C-H-E-L-L-E. Last name Mitchell, M-I-T-C-H-E-L-L.
And what town do you live in?
I live in Ipswich, Massachusetts.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a correctional officer.
I didn't hear that.
I'm a correctional officer.
Oh, correction officer.
And how long have you been doing that?
8 years.
In Middleton?
Yes,
Do you know Kelsey Fitzsimmons?
I do.
How do you know her?
We were coworkers and we eventually became friends.
Now I'm going to jump ahead in your relationship. Well, when did you meet her? Do you remember?
The end of 2021.
At some point, you knew she was getting married.
Yes.
Were you going to be part of that?
Yes, I was a bridesmaid in their wedding.
I'm going to turn your attention to June 30th of 2025. Do you recall that day?
I do.
At some point, did you have a conversation with her?
I did.
And was that over the phone?
Yes.
And can you tell us about that?
Yes, we talked on the phone, and she was driving around North Andover, and she was crying, and I heard her baby crying in the back seat.
Did she tell you why she was crying?
She said that she needed Justin.
Okay. Any more than that, or was that the gist of it?
That was the gist of the conversation, and then she said she had to pull over to feed the baby.
Now, where were you when you had that conversation? Do you remember?
I was in North Andover driving around trying to meet up with her.
Did you ever meet up with her that day?
I did not until I saw her later in the hospital.
You, where did you go? Did you stay in North Andover?
I did up until I went to the hospital after she was shot.
Okay. Where did you go in North Andover? Anybody's house in particular?
I went to Hunter's house.
Okay, and who is Hunter?
He is a friend of Justin's.
And Justin Alayan?
Yes.
And who do you know him to be with regards to Kelsey?
He is a coworker of Justin's and also a friend of his.
Oh, I'm sorry, Hunter. I meant of the defendant. Who is Justin in relation to the defendant?
Oh,
sorry
Justin.
if that was unclear.
That's okay. Justin was Kelsey's fiance.
Okay. Was anybody else over Hunter's house?
Yes.
Who is that?
It would be me, Justin, Katrina, myself, and Justin's sister, Courtney.
And who is Katrina?
A friend of Kelsey Fitzsimmons.
Was she also in the wedding, if you know?
Yes.
And without getting into the conversation that was being had between the half dozen of you or so, do you know if Justin made a decision to do something?
Yes.
What was that?
He was going to go to the Lawrence courthouse to file a restraining order, 209A, and also get temporary custody of the child.
Okay. And at any point did you see the defendant in the area of Hunter's house?
Yes.
Can you tell us about that?
Yes. I witnessed her drive by Hunter's house.
Okay. Thank you. I have nothing else.
Ross?
Yes. Good afternoon, Ms. Mitchell.
Good afternoon.
Just a couple questions. You said that you spoke with Kelsey on 6/30/25,
That is correct.
and she told you that she was driving around. She said that she was meeting Justin, right?
No, she was not meeting Justin.
Did you say needing Justin?
I thought you said meeting.
I did. Wasn't she going to meet Justin?
That was what I understood from Justin, but she didn't tell me that on the phone.
Okay, she said that she needed Justin?
Meeting or needing? You need to clarify that for me.
I think I said needed. She said she needed Justin?
Needed Justin, that is correct.
Okay, so just let's put that over here. And she had also told you that day that she was meeting Justin, right?
Yes, thank you for clarifying.
So she couldn't meet with you because she was meeting Justin, right?
That is what she said.
And you said there was some sort of gathering at Hunter's house,
Yes,
and that was a social gathering with swimming and drinking, right?
that is incorrect.
Was there swimming?
No, Mr. Bradle.
Was there drinking?
Also no.
And it was you, Katrina, and Justin and his sister and Hunter, right?
Correct.
Now, you said that you saw her drive by the house,
Yes,
and so it's fair to say that she would have been able to recognize some or all of the vehicles, right?
yes,
And going by the house is a route that would take her to the North Andover Common, right?
yes, it's near there, correct.
Nothing further.
Nothing.
All right, you may step down.
Thank you.